How's it going, everyone? You're here with the Michael Lewis Marketing Suite, and for this tutorial we're going to be going over Google Slides integration when it comes to editing your listing presentation. It's very helpful for any of you who may not have PowerPoint on your computer. So to get started, we're going to grab the listing presentation by going up to Free Stuff. You'll see Listing Presentations and Buyer's Consultations. Click to expand. So you'll grab whichever listing presentation you want, generic, modern, classic, and for each one there's vertical and horizontal. So you'll select whichever one you want. Once you have it downloaded, you will then go to drive.google.com. From here you'll click New, and then File Upload. Search your computer, find the listing presentation you downloaded, and upload it. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it here like this. If you right click, open with Google Slides, and select it, it'll then open a new tab, and it'll open up your listing presentation in the Google Slides. So now this is exactly the same as your listing presentation if you were to do it on PowerPoint. The only thing that's different is the verbiage for some of the functions and features and the location of those functions and features. So if you've watched the downloading and editing listing presentation videos, everything from this point on is going to be generally the same. So you have this bottom section that lets you know everything that you're going to need for editing this listing presentation. Each page lets you know what needs to be edited. So this is where the client name goes. Simply delete the placeholder and replace it with the client's information. So you see client name up here. So you can click on it. You'll see there's a text box. Triple click to highlight the entire line. Delete it and put in the client's name. Same with the address. For photos, click on the photo that you want to change. Right click and go down to replace image, or for PC, change photo. Click replace image. We can just drag and drop in the photo that we want to use, and it replaces it. So you don't have to worry about sizing or cropping. It takes care of doing that for you. On to the next slide. Right click agent photo, change picture. So you're doing the exact same thing we just did for the house photo. Next one, replace this text with your prepared letter for your client. So you have this text box here. You can just highlight it all, delete it, and then copy and paste in your letter to your client. You can see the first few slides are quite repetitive, putting in your contact information, putting in your headshot, and this is your bio. So again, you can highlight this whole thing, delete it, and then paste in your bio if you already have one written out. Now there are a lot of slides, a lot of them don't require any editing as far as professional photography. If you don't have professional photography, let's say, you of course can right click on the slide on the left. There's delete slide if you want to get rid of it permanently, or if you're going to be doing a PDF, you can click skip slide. Skip slide puts an eye, crosses it out, so no one's going to be able to see it. So if you were to download this PDF, it would go from slide number 7 to slide number 9. That way, if later down the road you do have professional photography, you can come back in, right click, see the check mark next to it, click it again, and now you have that slide back. Whereas if you deleted it, you'd have to download another listing presentation and copy and paste that one slide from the new one back to this one. So I always recommend just skipping it. There are lots of slides. I believe there's 37. And that 37th slide is a blank template if you need it. So if you want to add in your own page that you don't see on the listing presentation, you can go ahead and do so by adding in text boxes and adding in image boxes. Other than that though, it's really just images and text. So if you know how to edit one, you can edit them all. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions in regards to Google Slides integration or anything else Michael Lewis Marketing Suite related, feel free to call our customer care number at 310-606-2029.